Hi, my name is Jennifer Carroll with CelebratingEverydayLife.com and the Home Depot. Today I'm going to share tips and tricks to help you style a beautiful apple cider bar. This is a wonderful way to celebrate fall and make extra meaningful memories with your loved ones. But we're not going to do it just anywhere. We're styling this apple cider bar on a DIY potting bench that I've built for the Home Depot. And of course, we're sharing plans for you to build your own on the Home Depot blog. One of the things that I love so much about this potting bench is that the height of it, it's got shelves, I've got lots of storage in here, and I've added some really sweet copper accents that are easily switched out if that's not the look that you're going for this season. But they add style and drama and fun to an otherwise somewhat utilitarian piece. And of course, to add a little extra charm, I've added a willow trellis behind, and I think that really softens and sweetens up the look. I've also added some Liberty knobs and hooks for extra storage, and also these make a great way to display things like the Apple Cider Bar sign that I've created. You can find a tutorial for the Apple Cider Bar sign on my blog, CelebratingEverydayLife.com. Now, when styling an apple cider bar, I think there are a few key elements that you don't want to miss. Those, of course, include cider. For that, we have got a beautiful tub of cider. You could serve your cider hot or cold. If you're going to serve it hot, of course, I recommend using a thermal decanter. To garnish the apple cider, add some touches of apple and orange. To spice things up with your apple cider, consider offering a spice bar. Here we've got turmeric, cinnamon, some hot chili powder, and then of course a few morsels of butterscotch to sweeten things up. All of this with a touch of caramel sauce and of course a little whipped cream creates an apple cider drink that no one can resist. Donuts are a delightful treat to enjoy with your apple cider bar. Have some fun displaying them. Here we have a mug rack that we've of course hung some copper mugs on, but we've also had a little fun and hung the donuts on the bars. Of course, one of the signature candies for fall are candy corns. Here, we've included those on our buffet, but we've given it a slightly grown-up twist by adding dry roasted peanuts to the mix. I'm from the South, and this is a really fun way to mix in something that we all love around here. And who can resist a caramel apple? No matter if you choose to make these yourself or buy them at the store, they are a sweet treat everyone is sure to love. And finally, we have these peanut butter and chocolate Nutter Butter Acorns. These are such a fun treat. My daughter just loves to eat these, and they come together so easily. I have a super simple tutorial for you over on the blog, so please feel free to hop over and take a look. One of my favorite design elements of this potting bench is this copper bar. I love it because it allows me to put things on the bottom shelf like potting soil or old pots, things that may not be so pretty and I don't want to show off. And I can add a little fabric, a throw, a little drape, something to curtain it off and make this still look pretty. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of my apple cider bar and have found some tips to help you style your own apple cider bar at your home. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to visit the Home Depot blog for plans to make your own potting bench just like mine. And of course, I'd love to see you over on my blog, CelebratingEverydayLife.com. Thanks for watching.